Okay, good evening, guys. Today's tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can build your blog website, like Vineyard and the rest of that. So you'll be building it from the very beginning, from the very scratch. So if you're enjoying it, or if you're finding it interesting, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and hit that notification bell so you get notified whenever I post such videos like this. So before I go started, I want us to know that WordPress, like I said, is a CMS content management system. So we'll be installing our WordPress and the rest of that. So but before we go ahead, I want us to go get our theme. Theme is I've taught you guys about theme, so you can check the WhatsApp group and other thing about theme. So first of all, there is this website where you go get your theme. So go to my and I'll search for Team Forest. Let's go Team Forest. Okay, let me just come here. Team Forest. Team Forest. Okay, let's go to where you get all kind of themes you use to build your WordPress website. So let's just search for SAHIFA. SAHIFA is the thing we'll be using to build this blog website. Okay, this is it. $59. Wow, it's quite expensive. $59. That is what they said. The thing goes for $59. So you go for $59. So but once you want to get it, it's not hard. Once you want to get the theme, don't worry, I'll show you how you can get this theme at the end of this class. So don't just bother yourself, don't worry too much. I'm going to show you how you can get this theme. So this is what I don't know, my network is slow. So that's the theme we'll be using. Like I said, don't worry yourself, I'm going to show you how you can get this theme at the end of this class. So just stick to the class. Okay, so this is my cPanel. I taught you guys how to log in to your cPanel yesterday. So today I'm going to log into my cPanel because I have to install the WordPress. I don't know, my network is slow, but let's see. Let me try off and on again. Okay, so let's get up again. Sorry about that. So successfully I've logged into my cPanel. Wow, I don't know what's wrong with my network. So I'm gonna end this video so you don't have to be late.